Give me a fast car, Lone Star Highway. All the twists and turns my life keeps taking never seem to end. I ain't seen a horizon and I don't know when. I keep that pedal on the floorboard like there's hell on my heels, slinging rocks around the corners on 2 wheels. Lord, give me a Lone Star Highway. I need a straight road to run, so I can see where I'm going and where I came from. Lord, give me a Lone Star Highway, a better place to chase the sun, where I can ride all day and still be in Texas when I'm done. I need a fast car, Lone Star Highway. There's just something about tomorrow to make you wanna leave today. Just like being where you're from makes you wanna get away. Well, I set out to see what I could see. Now I don't wanna see no more. Nowadays, all I'm looking for is that Lone Star Highway. I need a straight road to run, so I can see where I'm going and where I came from. Lord, give me a Lone Star Highway, a better place to chase the sun, where I can ride all day and still be in Texas when I'm done. Thank God it runs both ways. I need a long, straight, all day Lone Star Highway. Give me a straight road to run, so I can see where I'm going and where I came from. Lord, give me a Lone Star Highway, a better place to chase the sun, where I can ride all day and still be in Texas when I'm done. I need a fast car, Lone Star Highway. Lord, give me a Lone Star Highway. Gonna burn. Fence needs fixing and the tractor won't turn. There's a fox man creeping around the hen house, just like the tax man sniffing around. Come on now, ladybug, give me some good luck, 4-leaf clover. Come on over, whip me up a rainbow, throw me a wishbone, 'cause I could use one now. Won't you come on down, 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 ladybug, sweet ladybug. There ain't no water in the wishing well. Well, how we gonna make it if the cotton don't sell? And good heaven, there's pebbles in the hole of our shoes. Coyotes keep calling and the cows gone loose.